Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Klarna on TikTok shop. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. So once you open TikTok, you simply need to log in into your account. So once you done that, you simply need to open your profile and click on three bars on the top right. And once you are here, you simply need to click on settings and privacy. And once you are here, you simply need to click on balance. And once you are on the balance page, you simply need to click on here you can see finish coin purchase offer. Click on get, and let's suppose I want to purchase this, so click here, and here you can see I added my card, so click here, and you need to click on add credit or debit card, and here you need to add the Klarna details, card number, month, and security code, and then you need to click on save card, and after that you can use that card into your TikTok shop. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.